not, welcome. Again. So I'm here with Dirk in Tasmania. So we last walked in Tasmania in April this year, and now we are back and doing the Frenchmans Cap. So we just arrived in the car park, getting ready. So we're having some light rain. There's the sign. We have some light rain, but the weather for tomorrow and the next day looking really promising. Should have some sun. So the Frenchman's Cap walk will take us from 250 meters elevation to about 1400 meters, and we probably get on the summit tomorrow. Yeah. So we have the new boots, the Echoes.
Oh my god. Right, check, keys.
Disgusting how
Keys are officially secure. I'll put that over the top. Hat on, which is already wet. Put on. And brush one. Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
Woo! Here we go.
Here we go.
The Frenchman's Cap. 3 to 5 days return. Walker's registration.
Oh, okay. Coming down, please.
Cool. So now we're crossing the Franklin River. He's moving the bridge. Well, Dirk and I are back in Tasmania for another epic walk, the Frenchman's Cap, and by many accounts it's probably one of the most scenic and epic walks you can do in Tassie. So we're here to find out. Starting off with some light rain. The forecast is such that we should have fairly clear and sunny conditions tomorrow. Light wind on the summit. Sunday should be good, but maybe a bit overcast, cloudy at least. And then the weather's turning again on Sunday night. And Monday is light rain. Probably a bit more than what we have today. Another wardrobe adjustment.
Not too bad.
Yeah, you.
Making sure I wasn't sweating too much.
Sweaty. think we can see the Frenchmans Cap there. Snow capped almost.
Who knows, eh? Who knows? Rider.
But this is the second river crossing. Again, suspension bridge.
Pay attention. Now hold on. It's wet, it's cold.
Looks like we made it to the hut. Okay. Couldn't come early enough, man. 2 platforms.
Nice.
Nice. Alright, let's pitch the bloody tent.
Oh yeah.
6:30. We left what? Oh, actually, 5 hours. We walked for 5 hours. So the food is all food, man. Look at that massive bag. And I got more. A lot more.
6:30.
Yeah.
5 hours.
Oh yeah.
Longer. Needs to be longer. Now, carrying all my pegs again for nothing.
What's that?
There's another 200 grand, 100 grand. One. My hat is wet.
Oh, we're going to have a look at the hut. So we're obviously camping, but there is a hut here. What's for dinner, Dirk?
2-minute noodles and a bit of salmon.
But that's very light, eh? You're not going to shed a lot of weight. Oh, and a cucumber.
And a Pepsi.
I bought so much food. All of this bag. All of this. Gonna have some pasta. There's the pasta. Don't chuck the water out, we're going to reuse it. I have a little bit more pasta.
Huh.
Yeah.
Probably a good idea.
That's actually really nice. That was not an easy walk. Well,
No.
I mean, the terrain itself was not too bad, but
It's going to suck to leave going out that way as well. It's going to be tough.